In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to place trades on TradingView. If you enjoy analyzing charts and want the convenience of placing orders without switching platforms, this is a simple and efficient workflow. We'll walk through exactly how to connect a broker inside TradingView and what to expect once you're linked, so you can place trades directly from your charts with confidence. Start by opening your chart in TradingView. Look toward the top right of the charting interface and find the Trade button. This is your gateway to brokerage connections and order placement from within the platform. If your window is small or the layout is customized, you may need to maximize your browser or expand panels so the button is visible. Once you click Trade, TradingView will display a list of brokers that support direct integration. The list you see can vary by region, instrument type, and the broker's integration status, so don't worry if it looks different from what others might see. From this list, choose the broker you use for live trading. When you select it, TradingView will guide you through a secure connection process. Typically, a broker login window opens where you authenticate directly with the broker, then authorize TradingView to read account information and send orders on your behalf. This is a secure, permission-based link. Always verify you're on the official broker authentication page and never share your credentials with anyone. Once the connection is successful, TradingView will link your chart to your brokerage account, and you'll be able to trade from within the platform. That means your buy and sell controls, order tickets, and position details will be available right alongside your chart. You can view your account balance and open positions in the trading panel and see orders plotted on the chart for clarity. Before sending any order, take a moment to confirm the symbol, order type, quantity, and risk settings. Markets, fees, and leverage vary by broker and instrument, so it's good practice to double-check these details. If you manage multiple accounts or asset classes with the same broker, make sure the correct account is selected in the trading panel. Keep an eye on market status and liquidity, especially around sessions and news events, to help ensure your orders fill as expected. And remember, you can customize the chart and trading panel layout in TradingView, so your most important tools are front and center. That's all there is to it. Click Trade on the chart, choose your broker and connect, and then place your orders directly from TradingView. It's a streamlined setup that brings your analysis and execution into one place,